Hello everybody, today we will focus on solving the LeetCode problem 1769, minimum number of the operation to move all balls to each box. And you can read the question from here, but I try to explain that question with the illustration. I made some drawing here. We are given binary string, the length of the string give us the number of the boxes, and the numbers of the string give us that whether that box has ball or not. Let's look at the example. Our binary string is 110. The length of the string is 3. Because of that we have the 3 boxes. The first index is 1. Box number 1 has 1 ball. Second index is 1. Box number has 1 ball. The third index is the third character is 0. The third box doesn't have any ball. And the problem is that we need to just calculate the minimum operation to bring the balls for each boxes. What's mean that? It means that let's start from box number 1, and we are inside the box number 1, and we bring the ball from the other boxes, and like that to bring. And actually before this I would like to explain the operation. What's the meaning of the operation? Operation means that to bring one ball from one box to the other one. For instance, if you want to bring this ball from box number 2 to box number 1, we need one operation. Yeah, and to make some illustration or to explain better, let's start from box number 1. We will bring the other box. We will bring the balls from the other boxes. Firstly, to bring the ball from box number 2, we need one operation. Box number 3 don't have any ball. Because of that, we type here 1. Same for box number 2. Box number 3 don't have any ball. Box number 1 has 1 ball. To bring that ball to box number 2, we need one operation. And we are inside the third box right now. To bring that ball from box number 2, we need one operation. And to bring the ball from box number 1, we need 2 operations. 1 and 1. Totally 3 operations. And we need to return our result as a list. Yeah, that's the explanation. And how did I solve that problem? I have used the brute force method. And yeah, firstly I have checked that whether which boxes I am right now, and if the boxes if the box has ball or not. And after that, if the box has ball, I subtracted the indexes. For instance, currently I'm at the first, or the box number 1. The index number is 0, and to bring that box from to bring the ball from box number 2, I have made only subtraction. Actually, the first box index 0, the second box index is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1, and it shows us the number of the operation. We type the code actually, then we can look at. As I said, I have used the brute force methods. Firstly, I have defined a list, empty list. List like that, and I made the first iteration for I in range len boxes. And new while is 0. Second iteration for j in range len boxes. Here I have a condition, as I said. I check that which box I'm right now, and the second condition is that whether that box has ball or not. And if I is not equal to j and boxes j is not equal to 0. And then nival plus is equal to abstractions I minus j. And end of this loop, empty list append new file, and at the end of the outer loop return empty list. I think everything is okay, right? Yeah, and let's submit that. Yeah, it has been accepted. I would like to emphasize one more time. Here I check that which box I am right now, because I don't consider the balls which I'm in right now, and here I check that whether the box has ball or not. If the box doesn't have ball, then I don't need to consider that box also. Here actually I calculate the operations indexes. I make some I subtract the indexes, and I sum up all of the indexes, and at the end of the first loop I append that to my empty list. At the end of the other loop I return that list to the response actually. Yeah. I hope that you understood the problem, and thank you very much for your watching this video. If you have any problem, please comment. Bye bye.